Call it a baby Ferrari if you wish, but it's hard to argue its success. The 2018 Ferrari Portofino is the California T plus 5 to 10%. Almost literally. Improvements throughout make the Portofino roughly 10% more efficient than the car it replaces in Ferrari's lineup. It's 5% lighter than the California T and 7% more powerful, with 6% less drag. It accelerates to 125 miles per hour 4% more quickly. It delivers nearly 10% more lateral acceleration, with 10% less undesirable noise and vibration inside and maybe 10% more room for people and stuff. The Portofino is better than the California T in just about every respect, but it's not even a mild departure from the all-purpose formula that made the California and California T the best-selling Ferraris ever. If this plus 10 evaluation seems underwhelming or abject, consider a couple more points. Given the current state of automotive technology and the extent to which the California T had already been optimized, with 144 horsepower per liter of displacement and a combination of thrills and everyday usability no Ferrari had previously achieved, improvements of 5–10% across the board must be considered an impressive engineering achievement. So there's that, and also that the Portofino is a remarkably versatile, very enjoyable car, in ways Ferraris weren't supposed to be remarkable or enjoyable not so long ago. It's a thrill to drive in a wide range of circumstances. If the Portofino doesn't stir you at least a little, you might as well take the bus. This car has been called the Baby Ferrari, presumably because it's the company's least expensive offering, but Baby Ferrari is a poor label otherwise. By dimensions, the California T slotted between the smaller, mid-engine 488 GTB sports car and the larger, hyper 812 superfast. The Portofino is about an inch longer and a hair lower than the California T, on an identical 105.1-inch wheelbase. Ferrari says the Portofino starts on an entirely new frame applying 12 different aluminum alloys as castings, extrusions and sheet metal. It has fewer pieces than the California T frame, with more hollow castings and 30% less welding, measured by length. Its underbody aero trays are aluminum rather than plastic, delivering more structural support and requiring less mods elsewhere in the frame. Ferrari's new superplastic hot stamping technique allows thinner aluminum body panels. They feel and sound almost like plastic. In total, the Portofino drops 177 pounds compared to California T, according to Ferrari, with 40% of the total taken from the body in white, and 30% from the interior, 10% each from the doors and roof, engine and electrical. Yet fewer pieces and welds mean more stiffness and less vibration. Ferrari says suspension attachment points are 50% stiffer than the California T's, while static torsional rigidity improves 35%. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.